Oh yeah, let's just take a moment and appreciate the fact I have a 70 Charger right there, and just needs a 4-speed replaced because broke it drag racing, and this is what I'm choosing to spend my time on. So when people say 4-doors ain't cool, or they talk about stuff like that, I want you to know that I seriously do not care if you think a 70 Charger is cooler. That's your opinion. I have one, and you see what I'm choosing to spend my time on. I like different stuff. I like quirky stuff. I love my Charger. It's cool. I wouldn't trade it for one of these, clearly. I'm not stupid, but at the same time, that's a really awesome looking car. And I'm not just saying my Charger, I'm just saying Chargers look cool, but at the same time, there's plenty of other cool stuff in the world. Yep. I'm glad I traded for this. All right, back to work.